Thanks for tuning in to Sacred Beauty Art, where beauty artists grow with intention, rhythm, and creative flow. In today's lesson, we're going to walk through the Files app so you can confidently download, organize, and access your digital tools on your iPad. This is video 1 in a 5-part series designed to help you build a strong foundation for practicing PMU digitally with Procreate. Let's begin. Start by opening the Files app. You can find it by tapping the blue folder icon on your home screen. If you don't see it, swipe down on your screen and type Files in the search bar. The Files app is the main place where all your downloads and digital tools are stored. Every image, brush set, ebook, or template you download will appear here. On the left side, you'll see 2 main areas. On my iPad and iCloud drive, files saved on my iPad live directly on your device. They open quickly and don't need an internet connection. Files stored in iCloud Drive are saved online. They help you save space, but they can take longer to open if you're offline. If you ever can't find something you just downloaded, tap Downloads. This shows the newest files you've opened or saved and is an easy way to find what you need quickly. Because the Files app connects to iCloud, your files can also appear on your computer's desktop. This makes it simple to move designs between your devices. To check that iCloud is working properly, open your iPad settings. Tap your name, then iCloud, and make sure Files is turned on. This keeps everything backed up and synced, so your projects are always safe. Now let's look at where new downloads go. When you download something from Etsy, Google Drive, or email, it usually appears in the Downloads folder. If you tap a zip file, it will open into a new folder. Inside that folder, you'll find your actual files. Let's go back to On My iPad and create our first organized space. Tap the folder icon in the top right. Name this folder Beauty Business Tools. Inside this folder, you can create smaller folders for things like brush sets, ebooks, and client forms. Now let's go back to the main files view so you can see your new folder. If you want to move this folder into iCloud Drive so you can access it from your desktop, tap and hold the folder and select Move. Choose iCloud Drive and tap Copy. You'll see a syncing icon while it uploads. Once it's finished, you'll see the folder inside iCloud Drive. Just remember, this is a copy of the folder on your iPad. To avoid confusion, you may want to keep only one version. If your iPad ever says there isn't enough space or that a file isn't available, check your storage. If you see a small cloud icon or an exclamation mark, that means the file isn't fully downloaded. To check storage, go to Settings, then iCloud, then Manage Storage. Here you can see whether there's enough space for your files to download. If storage is full, you can delete unused data from other apps to free up space. Learning how to use the Files app is the first step to mastering digital tools. Once you know where your downloads live and how to organize them, everything else becomes much simpler. In the next video, we'll open Procreate together and walk through how to set up your first canvas so everything is ready for digital practice. If you'd like more guidance, structured practice, and additional tips for learning Procreate as a PMU artist, you can join my Procreate course. Inside, I walk you through lessons and assignments designed to help you build confidence and consistency with digital practice. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.